Hello and welcome to this Dragon Marine Systems video. Today we're going to be looking at the Volvo Penta 16 pin round fitting and how to put one together. It doesn't matter whether you're using the male or female fitting, the system that we're going to use is the same for both. The first thing that you're going to need to do is tin the wire. Do not use tinned wire, you must tin the wires yourself. Your first job is to strip and twist the wire ends so that it's nice and neat and ready to be tinned. The next three operations should be completed in 2 or 3 seconds. First thing to do is to flux the cable so that it's ready for tinning. Then dip into a hot solder bath. This one's about 380 degrees. Then as soon as it goes in the solder bath, quench in a water bath, a cold water bath, so that the solder will immediately set. You are now ready to crimp your fitting. First, hold your crimp in the correct type of pliers. It is most important you have the correct pliers. Then insert the wire into the crimp so that the insulation is fully covered, and clamp the pliers shut. This will give you a nice tight grip around the tinned end. You will see that it's nicely curled over and everything is nice and... Once you have done this for all your cables, take the cable clamp and file it down so that it does not crush your loom when you assemble it. Take care, it is very easy to crush or break the cables with the cable clamp. Now it's time to assemble your fitting. The reason for tinning your own cables will soon become very clear to you. First, order your cables so that they are in the correct orientation for the hole in the fitting that they need to go into. If your wiring is untidy and wires cross over one another, the actual fitting will not close at the end of the operation. Insert your crimp into the correct numbered hole on the fitting. You will find it will go in about halfway and then stop. Gently rotate the wire, pushing with a small pair of pliers. Repeat this process for all the wires. Be sure that you get the wire into the correct hole. You will destroy the crimp if you have to remove it afterward. It is the tinning of the wire that makes it robust enough for you to be able to push it and lock it into the fitting. Be very careful when using the pliers. You don't want to tear the insulation for any of the wires. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Bye.